Think bikes. 1/3 of the traffic in European cities is vulnerable road users on bikes, motorcycles and scooters. Each year, about 7,500 riders are killed in traffic. They account for over half of road accident injuries admitted to hospital. Motorcycle and moped riders make up 22% of all road fatalities, even though they only represent 2% of total traffic. Nearly 2/3 of cyclist fatalities in Europe are the result of a collision with cars, taxis, trucks or public transport, and 40% of those fatalities occur at intersections. Don't be a statistic. Think bikes. Check your mirrors. Get your free stickers.